This is a great shock-proof MagSafe case with a screen protector that is optional to install for the iPhone 17. I was sent this to review from FNTCASE, so let me show you a closer look. A screen protector with wet and dry wipes and dust stickers. It is a semi-transparent back with precise holes here for the cameras and the flash, which is a really cool look. A firm-ish frame. It's not the super flimsy type nor the super rigid type. Right in the middle, you've got the action button is open. The buttons are semi-covered. There's like a tiny little slit, but they are covered. And then your ports are open. Looks like nice cushioning in there. Firm corners that are really gonna help with impact resistance. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it on the 17 here so you can get a nice view of the great lip that's gonna protect the whole way around the screen and the bezel that's going to protect those lenses. I think it offers much better protection and it's a really unique look rather than the fully open kind. Of course, you've got your MagSafe ring here. That is wireless charging friendly. And it's going to be MagSafe compatible with magnetic mounts, such as this car phone mount, really strong hold. So there is how the action button looks. It is cut out. That's the phone itself right there. And yeah, it's a great case. It's really nice feeling. It's smooth. I'm not getting any like fingerprints on here, so it seems to be smudge resistant perhaps. Just a really great case. It comes in a ton of colors. This is the black case on a black phone, so it's very dark and simple and nice. I love this case, and I know you will too.